COVID-19 made things uncertain, including our travel plans. Well, as soon as this pandemic is over, we will adapt and oblige with this new normal way of living. This video tackles about how travel will look like after this COVID-19 pandemic. But before that, if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. This is just a forecast and varies depending on the turn of the events and geographic location. First, we will plan with multiple options. It's like having plans A, B, C, and so on. Key point is we want to make sure that we'll be resilient with unprecedented events. Safety will be our top priority, whether it is for health reasons or facing natural calamities. There would be a mindset that I should be prepared at all times. We will choose destinations that we can go back home easily, and we will bring emergency travel funds just in case we are trapped and unable to go back home. Moving forward, people will choose to stay in accommodations that has flexible options and choosing value versus price. Travelers will be cautious about cleanliness of the place. It doesn't mean that it should be a luxurious hotel, as long as this type of businesses, hotel, hostel, transient homes, etc., will highlight cleanliness as their selling point, and people will validate the ratings via social media and various websites. We are all good to go. Same as with the airlines. Travelers will choose value and flexibility versus the cost. I'm not quite sure if airlines will have frequent seat sales just to compensate with their loss, but I'm sure that obliging with authorities' guidelines and passenger safety will be their priority. International flights will not bounce back soon. Travelers will be hesitant and don't want to think about traveling abroad due to different restrictions. Travelers are more afraid of being stuck in a foreign country for an uncertain amount of time. Well, just in case another unprecedented scenarios happen. Meanwhile, there would be a definite rise in domestic trips. People will travel in smaller groups and with close-knit friends. Road trips, long ride in motorcycle, bikepacking, hopefully, staycation, camping, and shorter and nearby trips will be a thing. So where are we going? We'll choose places that are least affected by the pandemic. Travelers will do trips in places with good pandemic response, meaning to say places that does excellent measures in fighting this crisis and still continuing the cost to avoid this to happen again. Festivals and parties will not bounce back soon, but traveling in off-beaten path will be our choice instead. We will go to small towns, mountainous areas, and beaches with lesser people. Places with good medical infrastructure will be on our checklist. We want to make sure that there is a place that we can go through in case we get sick during our vacation. Since this channel is Philippine-based, I will be creating another video mentioning Philippine destinations that we can go after this is over. COVID-19 changed our mindset in traveling. I know this is the worst thing happened since we became globally mobile. But now we are more appreciative in smaller things that matter. Simple food, nature, health, and many others. Our wanderlust keeps our mind open with different things. Traveling is good for mental and cultural awakening, and definitely helps local businesses which are mostly small to medium scale. This is a challenge for all of us. When this is over, we are expecting superb government implementation and crisis response. Businesses need to assure safety and value of their services. And of course, we should do our part individually. It's not difficult, it's just different, and soon we will flourish.